Hey guys, quick video today on how to delete apps on your ONN 4K streaming box. So what we want to do from our homepage is with our remote, go down to the Your Apps area, find the app that you want to delete. So for me, I'm going to find an app that I don't really use. So that would be something like Paramount Plus. I don't have a subscription for. So if I want to delete or remove this from my Your Apps area, all I have to do is hold down the OK or Select button, which is the big white circle button in the center of my remote. So holding that down, and we get this menu option screen to come up here. And with our remote, if we go down to where it says View Details, we're going to click OK on that. This brings us over to the app page, and to get rid of it, we're going to click OK on where it says Uninstall, so selecting that. And it says, do you want to uninstall this app? I do. So again, I'm going to click select on where it says OK. And it shouldn't take very long to uninstall the app that you had selected. So I'm going to go back to my home page. And we can now see that Paramount Plus has been removed from the Your Apps area on my ONN 4K streaming box. So I hope this video is helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you delete or remove apps from your ONN 4K streaming player. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.